So I'm out here near Sea Cliff, California, just about 80 miles up the coast from LA. Found that one sliver spot in the whole of the South LA area where you can actually drone. The rest is just covered with no-fly zones because of all the airports, state parks, and everything else. So there's some nice coast here, and I'll see what we can find out here. See if we can see from the air. There's a marine layer there. You can see the marine layer behind me. It's that standard fog that sits around off the coast in the morning. So I'll get the Mavic Pro Platinum up in the air and see if we can see it.